Migrating to Account Manager from FleetPortal. FleetPortal was Trimble's original web tool for managing CoPilot device settings, maps, and custom vehicle location data. We are excited to announce that these functions are migrating to the Account Manager portal. This change will offer a more streamlined and integrated experience for our customers. Optimize your fleet. FleetPortal was a powerful tool that helped fleet managers remotely configure CoPilot settings, create vehicle and driver groups, and assign settings to those groups, saving valuable time and effort. Now, this same functionality is moving to Account Manager, so that users can access all their device management tools in one convenient place. Accessing Account Manager. To view or edit all the same settings in FleetPortal, log into Account Manager with your Trimble ID. Go to the Configure Fleet Settings panel. Customers new to Account Manager can take our on-demand training course to learn how to use these expanded functions.